Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energies, guys. So if you want more clarity or if you have some questions in your circumstances, you can stay tuned and watch that reading, guys, so that may resonate. You may get answers or clarity, guys. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. We have King of Cups, Seven of Pentacles in reverse and Eight of Pentacles. So Pisces, in your circumstances today, guys, you are someone really skilled and talented. You are hard working, responsible, devoted to your work, and you are doing everything possible in your limit, working hard, using your skills and talents, and doing your duties with concentration, and you are putting tremendous efforts today, guys. And you are a very loving and caring person, guys, Pisces. So you take care of the people around you. Maybe you are responsible and you are a kind and compassionate soul. That may be the reason people like to be with you. People love your company. And you have achieved certain things for yourself. Maybe you have reached few goals. You are happy for it. And maybe you are waiting for future offers or opportunities to come your way. Or maybe in this relationship with this person you love, guys, maybe you are expecting some answer. Maybe you have proposed to them or they have asked you certain things. Maybe it may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. So maybe for some of you, you are waiting for their answer or they are waiting for your answer. And you are someone honest and faithful. So maybe if you have any doubts regarding this person, they are really honest, guys, and they are loyal to you. And you are someone who does things only if you feel that is the truth, that is the right thing for you. So you are a honest person making the right choices, and you follow the dreams you have, whatever is there in your heart of hearts, your dreams and goals, whatever it is, you follow that only if it is the right thing for you, guys, and you feel that is the right thing for you. And you are someone with a lot of patience, and that may be the reason people love you, guys. People love your character, your honest nature, and that may be the reason this person loves you. And that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. Hermit. So just like we saw with the previous card, so you are making an important choice today, something life-changing maybe. So you are thinking about it. You want to do it with clarity. So you are thinking. So it may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, guys, it is Temperance in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe in your career, it may be your energy or the people who work with you. So your ideas and their ideas or vision are not matching, guys. So that may be the reason you may see some problems in your work situation. So they may have a different perception of your circumstances and you may have it in a different way. So if you communicate openly, your problems are going to resolve, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for that pick a card love reading, guys, if you want more clarity, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says Juniper Tree, Deception. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your relationship for some of you, or it may be in your life, maybe in your general circumstances. You are carrying some burden on your shoulder and it is not your problem, it is not your responsibility, and this responsibility lies with another person, but you are thinking that it is your fault and it is your duty to do certain things. But you must let go of that, guys. Let go of that responsibility for that situation. And you should not think and feel sad about something happening around you, or it may be this circumstance, and you are thinking that it is all your mistake and your fault. But you need to understand that you are a person with a beautiful heart, a helping, kind nature. That may be the reason you feel this way. And you feel that, or you must have lost someone really close to you. And this separation is the reason for sadness. And maybe you feel that it is your fault that this person has left you, and the separation is your fault, your mistake, and you are the one responsible for that. But you should not lose hope, guys. Maybe there is a third party involved, that may be the reason for this separation. So you need to do the right thing, and the person who has left you will return to you. So you should not be impulsive today, and whatever kindness and compassion you have in your heart, or whatever you have shown to others, will come back to you multifold, and you are getting a second chance today, guys, at this love. Maybe you should not lose hope. That is what I mean with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, it says Happiness. So with this card, guys, it just means that in our day-to-day life we are often what to say see so much stress in our life. We are worried all the time, and we forget that happiness comes from within us. So with this card, we are just asked to see the simple things that bring happiness to our life, live each moment and fully experience the present moment. So simple things, just seeing a butterfly fluttering around or just a dog wagging its tail, whatever it is, all that is going to bring us happiness. So even at times when we are sad and stressed, the small things that bring us happiness, when we see that, when we are aware of that, we feel uplifted and we'll begin to see happiness in all the areas of our life, guys. And the same way, when we put a smile on someone's face with a simple act of kindness, when we just smile, or a simple smile maybe to a stranger, it will bring a moment of joy to them, guys, and it will bring a great difference in their life. It will simply inspire them to be more happy and confident. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we need to be happy today. Maybe we see a lot of stress and sadness in our circumstances, but no matter what our circumstances are, guys, when we are happy, happiness attracts more happiness. So we'll be more happy and successful in our life if we feel that joy and bliss through the simple things that we see around us. Maybe simple things in nature or in our surroundings. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.